Yes, please. Yellow and yellow.
Yeah.
What do you think, guys? Hey, what do you think?
Yeah.
Brilliant, aren't they?
Oh,
Just a standard guide, like a DHO set,
or similar.
button plug type.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's a class, definitely a class.
Do you want to have a go, guys?
Have we got the slim boat?
You tell me.
Got the slim boat. That's fine, Dave. 26 days.
Oh,
Just the ones done.
Yeah.
Slot, don't slim boat.
Yeah. Oh, that's
Side one's a two-wheel drive. Yeah.
Well, I suppose
Oh,
we.
Chris, I'll take that off. You having a go? Yellow please. Please on there.
Right, yeah. Yeah, that's good.
In the future, Chris.
Yeah. Don't believe how they do it. That's really one story.
Yeah.
It's all made to push on it, isn't it?
Oh, pardon?
It's like, oh, made to push on it, isn't it?
You like? Haven't got with scissors. Well, just like a real one.
It's a little bit different. We can't value 50 chances, we have one with movement and it didn't work, so, you know.
What?
Had one with movement and it's stuck in the back.
Okay.
But it was top the front on the side.
When you got resting on one wheel, you don't need any flex in the chassis?
No,
You don't need. Well, I'm super impressed.
So we don't have it fine.
Super impressed. And he was me thinking of getting an SR hypercar, keep your money safe. So I go, Paul. I'll have to do some research, see if they've been rallied.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We have something somewhere.
I'm sure AI could solve something for me.
Oh, definitely. I would like one to say motorway out of the box. The boat would not consider.
So these are, the bodies are not nylon printed, are they? They're going to be really crash resistant as well then.
And it's one that's tall, it's very we were going around the same factory, we were going.
Yeah. They are very stable.
My tide coming unglued at the back of my mind,
Yeah.
more unstable than mine.
Good.
You can drink all of those, configuration. Anything else want to go? Yes?
No, you're all right. No.
No, she's back in it.
You'll like it.
Mine.
What do you think, Chris?
So it came with it.
No, this is good.
No, it's not like this. This is what we developed, Steve, Mike and I developed. So it's got my SlotCar and motor in it.
Are they 25 or 30? Yeah. I know, yeah, what the dogs on
The video is right there, that car.
I went to go to bloody, headset on
Two
to
pinions.
see it, then
No.
Took a key with
One opinion, two,
spare batteries
just
in
one
it.
opinion, and two
And,
gears to drive, both wheels.
Then key out of bloody. Fill it